Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Amazon Flex region. So let's get started. So you are a worker and you are changing your place from one place to another, and now you want to change your Amazon Flex region. So to do that, what you have to do is first of all open up a browser. You can select any browser that you like, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for Amazon Flex support. So the best way to change your region in Amazon is to call or send an email to a service provider or Amazon support. So in search bar you can simply search in for Amazon Flex support. After searching for Amazon Flex support, you just have to tap on this first option, which is Amazon Flex support, and now if you scroll down, you can find these two options. In the first one you can find the phone number of the support team, and then you will find an email address. So you can call or you can send an email address to Amazon, and by doing that they will change your region. So you just have to provide them some details about your account and they will successfully change your Amazon Flex region. So that's it guys, this is how to change Amazon Flex region. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.